In terms of a material thing, no, it's my memories.
It's your memories.
And I am very, very blessed to have so many wonderful memories. And, you know, that's something that maybe old age can take away from you. But, you know, nothing else. You always have that, no matter else what happens to you in life. You have the memories of who you are and where you came from and the people that have blessed your life.
Children keep on dreaming. When you wake, I will be gone. I will vanish with the darkness, and I will leave before the dawn. And I am going to a city by the sea. But don't you worry, 'cause I carry you.